世界中の皆さん、こんにちは。It's time for Shoyu Japan Life Week in Review. You know, when you don't take video of what's happening during the week, it's kind of hard to show you what actually happened. There was actually a lot that happened, but I did forget to record. My apologies for that. But I do have things to show you that I need to catch up on, that I've been meaning to show you. So there is a lot of fun stuff still to show you this week. So let's get into it. 世界中の皆さん、こんにちは。Now it is time for Shoyu Japan Life. Kaimono shopping ideas for someone else, or keep it yourself. Yeah, I think I keep it. Okay, part one of shopping ideas. Just went to 7-Eleven, got a bunch of sweets and stuff to eat. But the first one I got was this nice piece of bread here. In English, it says it's the chocolate cream and chocolate chips. But that's not what it says in Japanese because it says choco cream no fuwa mochi chigiri pan. So it's kind of like this mochi, chewy texture of this bread that chigite means you can break it off and eat, and because it's so long, that's what this one is. And then I got this donut because it looks so good. This is the whole body donuts. Anyway, glazed donut is the basic thing that it says, but it looks so good because it's big. And then I got the chocolate old-fashioned donut that looks really great. And then one more over here. A lot of pastries. Muchari shokkan taruto. This is shinhatsubai, meaning a new product. And it doesn't have an English name on this. But basically, it's a tart that's supposed to be full of stuff inside. So anyway, it looks really good. I'm going to be eating all this stuff. And anyway, that's part one. And the thing I wanted to eat was this donut, so I'm gonna take it out now because it's humongous. And you can see all that. Oh look, there's another piece of the sugar cream. Another piece. This is it's nice and solid on the top over here. Can you guys hear it? That's nice glaze, man. Look at that. And it's dripping off the side here. That's why I got it. So let's take a bite. I gotta go get milk. 158 yen at 7-Eleven right now. Especially in Japan. Go get it. Highly recommend it. So today we're getting together to put this NeruNeruNeruNe together. Show you how to make this candy. So I got my NeruNeruNeruNe professional who's going to help me put this together. Here we go. So first thing we do is we open the package and we look inside with what we have in there. So there's numbers on the packages to show you what you need to do. This plastic container is really important. That spoon is important. And then you have, follow the numbers, 1, 2, and 3. And so this is what's in the package here. You get this little sticker. I don't know if they always have the sticker, but this year, the 40th anniversary, so you get that special sticker. But here we go. So, look at that. There's even little parts on the plastic container. So, let's go. So that little spoon that we just broke off the plastic container is actually for measuring the amount of water you need to actually make this candy because it's in powder form right now. So starting with number 1, Just make sure all the powder goes to the bottom of the package so we don't waste any of it. And then we're opening it up. And then we put it in the big container here. Okay. Number 1. Done. And then we add the water. Oh. Again, this is showing that this is grape flavored. But on the package it showed pink, but now it looks purple. I don't know why, but anyway, so here we go, we're mixing. Oh, see, this is the fun stuff kids like. Mix, mix, mix. And it smells really grapey. Is that a word? Okay, then we're getting number 2. Again, making sure that all the powder goes to the bottom of the package before opening it up so that we don't waste anything. And then we open up package number 2 and then add it to what we already mixed. There you go, make sure everything's inside. And mix, mix, mix. Oh, that's how the color turns pink. It's also like a science project. Oh. So it looks kind of like a little bit of a frothy mix candy. Can you see how kids would really love this? The good thing is that it's made in Japan, so the sugar content is not as high as it would be in other countries. Not that I'm trying to say bad things about other countries, it's just that there is a balance here. And now we go into package number 3. This is the fun stuff. Okay, number 3, again, we make sure all the contents go to the bottom of the package. This is kind of like candy crystals. And this goes not in the mix, but it goes on the side. See, there you go, because these are the candy sprinkles that are going to be added to your mix. And so this is how you kind of do it. Let's try to show them how to. Kind of like cotton candy, you're gonna twist a little bit of this mix onto your spoon. See, this is what, and then you add some of these candy crystals. And now you are ready to eat. Let me try this. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? It's like this big candy mix. Again, NeruNeruNeruNe. Wonderful candy that kids in Japan just love to eat. And now you know how to make it. Can you imagine that going into your mouth? Oh, giving you a sugar high. NeruNeruNeruNe. Itadakimasu. Grape flavor. And something kids would definitely love. Woo! Okay, we got one more NeruNeruNeruNe for you. This is the Uchu Fruits Aji. That means space fruits flavor. I wonder what that means. But anyway, we're gonna mix this up and see what we have over here. Okay, small kind mistake, but you know, this is supposed to go in there. So we're gonna move some of that in there right now. Let's move it in there. How do we move that in there? So we need another one of the cups of water that we have right here. And then we're gonna put mix number 4 into this slot here. So here we go. So again, we push all our contents to the bottom of the package before opening it up. And then we pour this out. Aha, this is the special glazed sauce. It's like a leveled up NeruNeruNeruNe. bit extra. Okay, we got that in. Okay, now we add the water. Oh, okay. And since we used our mixing spoon for something else, now we're gonna mix this up with a different spoon. Usually you could do it with the other spoon, but here you go. Okay, our special sauce is done. I think that's the fruit mix. And then we take what we had here and we're gonna mix it. Oh, look at that. Time to try. Here we go. Okay, the Uchi fruits flavor. Here we go. NeruNeruNeruNe. Oh, that third powder is kind of like a carbonation kind of thing, has that kind of fizzy thing. This is a level up. Good stuff. Get this stuff for your kids. Again, you can get it at the supermarket. You can get it at the different candy shops in Japan, but really good stuff. My recommendation to you guys, NeruNeruNeruNe, or the leveled up NeruNeruNeruNe. Okay, and as we had in the other episode too, we still have this popsicle, the NeruNeruNeruNe popsicle, and I'm gonna try and dip it into this stuff over here just to eat it with that since we made it. So let's try this out. Okay, we have NeruNeruNeruNe, the popsicle, and then we're gonna do it this way. We're gonna dip this in here. Where's my engineer? Where did my engineer go? Okay, got that. With some of this. Oh my gosh, it just took almost the whole thing. Oh, look at that! Oh, this is like leveled up. Okay, let's try. Here we go. This is really leveled up. Not just a popsicle, you get the actual candy on it. Mmm. That's a better tasting popsicle. Now we're going to add with the fruits, the space fruits mix. Sugar rush. Mmm. That's the way to eat a popsicle. So good. Mmm. Eating this with that. Wonderful. NeruNeruNeruNe. Shopping ideas. Recommendation. Rice ball onigiri omusubi challenge. Rice ball onigiri omusubi challenge. Rice ball onigiri omusubi challenge. This week's rice ball challenge is going to be using Gohan Desu Yo. This is really good stuff. This is a seaweed paste or nori paste. When you say it in English, it doesn't sound so good, but this has so much flavor. And sometimes you can find this Gohan Desu Yo onigiri at the convenience store, but I'm gonna put a little twist on it because I still have my Kombu Cha. I'm gonna mix this into the rice and then put this in the center. You know, one of the cool things is when you open this up, when it's fresh, it makes this wonderful sound. Here it goes. Oh, that's the sound of freshness. But let's get this thing started. So I got my rice steaming hot, and I'm gonna open up my Kombu Cha. And this, we just pour onto the rice, like so, and I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. Here we go. Mix, 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 lightly mix it. And then we're getting ready for adding the Gohan Desu Yo. So we're getting into that step next. Okay, so we're getting our rice and putting that on our hands. Again, we have already moistened our hands, but we need to get a good amount of Gohan Desu Yo. Put this on here, maybe put a little bit more. There you go, generous amount of Gohan Desu Yo on this rice ball, and we're gonna wrap this up. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna finish this up and let me show you the final product. Here we go. Another successful rice bowl challenge. Let's take a look at our new addition to the Onigiri Dojo. And there it is, folks. The Gohan Desu Yo Onigiri. Oishi so ne. Okay, look at this rice ball. Looks really good. Let's eat. Itadakimasu. Here we go. Oh. Gohan Desu Yo is, again, a recommended thing. If you can get this, take it home. Really good stuff. And they come in all kinds of different sizes. Maybe you can get the small one and give it a try when you're here. Again, you can just put it on your rice. But today we're making it into this rice ball with the Kombu Cha, which matches very nicely with this. Oishi desu. Gochitosama deshita. And don't forget to join me in the next rice ball challenge. Until then, mata ne. Minasan, please like, subscribe, and tell your friends too. Thank you. Oh yeah. Arigato. よろしくお願いします. I have to just show this to you. We put a double mix. So the top is the regular NeruNeruNe, and below that is the Space Fruits NeruNeruNe, and we're gonna eat all of this together. Itadakimasu. I'll be bouncing off the walls pretty soon. Yummy!